Welcome back everyone. In today's session we are going to continue exercise 7.2, question number 7 and 8. In the previous session we have seen question number 4, 5 and 6. Hope those concepts are clear to you all. In this exercise we will find every question is of different type, but all of them are based on one formula, that is section formula, and in few cases we use midpoint formula too. So coming to the question number 7 of this exercise, he is asking find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. Okay, so diameter of a circle is given, where we have to find the coordinates of this end of the diameter, okay, A, and the center, whose center is 2 comma minus 3, you can see, and the other end of the diameter, that is B, is 1 comma 4. So center and one end of the diameter is given, we have to find the other end of the diameter, which is very simple. So I can say that C is the midpoint of the diameter, so I can apply midpoint formula in this case. You can see C, the center will always be the midpoint because diameter is twice of the radius. Okay, so we'll begin the solution. Let the circle be as shown with the center. Because the figure is not given, we'll draw the figure, and AB be the diameter of the circle. Since AB is the diameter, center C must be the midpoint, as I said you just now. We'll write all the steps which I said. Okay, so since C is the midpoint, I'll apply midpoint formula. I'll not apply section formula here. Okay, so what is midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So C is equals to, I'll write C is equals to x1 plus x2. So what are your x1 y1 x2 y2 here? Your x1 y1, this is your x1 y1, this is x and y is your x1 y1, and this will be your x2 y2. Okay, so x1 y1 is xy and x2 y2 is 1 and 4. So x1 plus x2, so x1 is x and x2 is 1, so x plus 1 by 2. Then y1 plus y2, y1 is y and y2 is 4, so y plus 4 by 2. I applied the midpoint formula, that is equal to C. What is C? C is 2 comma minus 3, so this is equals to 2 comma minus 3. I can write here 2 comma minus 3, yeah, 2 comma minus 3. So I can equate this with 2 comma minus 3. So equating the x coordinate with the x coordinate, that is abscissa with abscissa and ordinate with the ordinate. So x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2. Here I equate it, then cross multiplying it, 2 times is 4, and x is equals to 4 minus 1, that is 3. And the next one, if I equate y plus 4 by 2 is equals to minus 3, I'll equate it with minus 3, cross multiply, minus 6, so y is equal to minus 6 minus 4, that is minus 10. So here I have done directly. You can write step by step also. Okay, because if these questions are asked in 2 marks, you can go directly. No need to waste your time in writing all the steps. Okay, so this is the way we find the other end of the diameter, by using midpoint formula. We should not find distance here. Okay, so you should not get confused between distance, section formula and midpoint formula. You should be very clear with all the three formulae. Okay, and this will be the last exercise of this chapter, because the next exercise, that is areas of triangles, is deleted from your syllabus. What is deleted? Areas of triangles. In the next exercise you will find areas of triangles and quadrilaterals, which is reduced. Okay, there is an offer from CBSE this year for you all. You all are very lucky. Okay, next, the key as well as unlucky, I can say, because you are missing important concepts. But later on you will learn those concepts in higher classes, like you missed cross multiplication method. You'll find that in higher classes again. Okay, next question, question number 8. Okay, question number 8 we are going to see. Now this question you have to be very careful while taking the ratio. Here we will apply section formula, but in a different way. If A and B are given -2, -2, and B is 2, -4, two coordinates are given. Find the coordinates of P such that AP is equals to 3 by 7 AB. So AP is equals to 3 by 7 AB. So if I write AP by AB, that is equals to 3 by 7. Okay, so but I need the ratio AP is to PB for finding the coordinates of P. I need AP is to PB ratio. Okay, I don't, but I have AP by AB. You can see whole part is taken here. AP by AB is taken. So I cannot take 3:7 ratio directly because P is not dividing it in the ratio 3:7. What to do in this case? How to find AP is to PB ratio? We'll do some steps here, few steps here, and get the ratio AP is to PB. Or you can directly do it. That is another way. AB is the whole line segment. Okay, what is AB? The whole line segment. So there are 7 parts. AB is made into 7 parts, out of which 3 parts are AP. So what are the remaining parts? Out of the total 7 parts, 3 parts are of AB. What are the remaining parts? 7 minus 3, that is 4 parts. So ratio will be 3:4. This is one easier way. Okay, you can do it directly, that is also accepted, not an issue. Or you can go step by step also. You can go in this way, geometrically you can prove. So AB can be written as AP plus PB, and I'll multiply 3AP 3PB, cross 7 cross multiplies becomes 7AP. 7AP minus 3AP is 4AP is equal to 3PB, and AP by PB is equals to 3 by 4. That gives you again 3:4 only. Okay, so you can get that ratio directly by subtracting 7 minus 3, that is 4. That is also giving you 3:4 ratio. Okay, both the ways are correct. Next we have got the ratio 3:4, and we have got x1 y1 x2 y2. So what is your m1 m2 here? 3 and 4. x1 y1 -2 and x2 y2 is 2 minus 4. So we have taken all the required values. Now we'll substitute these all the values in the section formula. What is section formula? You know that very well. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so you can clearly see here the section formula. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Substituting all the values very carefully in the formula. So what do we get? m1 x2 3 into 2, and m2 x1 4 into 2, 4 into minus 2. Okay, that should be minus 2. By m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 4 7. So we'll get 6 minus 8, multiply 6 minus 8, that is minus 2 by 7. Next is m1 y2. Okay, just take minus 2 here. This is minus 2. Okay, next one m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So what happens here? m1 y2 m1 y2 m1 y2 3 into minus 4, then m2 y1 4 into minus 2 by m1 plus m2, that is 7. So multiplying it, 3 4 times is minus 12 and 4 2 times is minus 8, that is minus 20 by 7. So this is the way we find the point P by using the ratio, by using section formula. Hope it's clear to you all. Complete this and keep revising, keep preparing for your test also. Start with polynomials. Hope you all have completed classwork of polynomials, and whatever questions, like few students were asking me what should we revise from the reference or not. You must revise how you used to study for 9th class, same way for 10th, or much better than that. You have to do textbook, you have to do reference, okay, do textual questions, and the worksheets which I was giving you that time. I gave you worksheets from polynomials, I gave you worksheets from linear equations in two variables, concept wise. All those worksheets, if you have done, then you are lucky. If you have not done, okay, you can do it now. Take the worksheets from your friends and do the worksheets. And if you have a reference, you can refer some questions from reference which we have not covered. If we have not covered any question, you can go through reference, but the most important are textbook, the worksheets, or the homework questions which I was giving during those sessions. Reference is an extra part. If I can surely say that if you do these two things thoroughly, then you'll be prepared for your test. But if you're hungry, much more hungry, then you can go through a reference. Anyway, you have to do reference for your finals also. Okay, whatever I have given you in the worksheets and homework are all from reference only. Okay, hope your doubt is clear about the revision. Take care. Thank you.